Today, we're going to show you how to create a wildlife wheelbarrow garden. You will need a wheelbarrow, a range of spring and summer plants, bulbs and seeds, compost, grit, wood chips, a trowel, a shallow tray, a watering can, and a drill. Drill some holes in the bottom of your wheelbarrow. Then fill the bottom with a layer of grit to help with drainage. Next, top with a mixture of multi-purpose compost and grit. Plant your chosen range of spring and summer plants. Nectar-feeding insects will love those with big open flowers. Plant spring bulbs for instant colour. And summer bulbs which will grow and bloom over the coming months. Add some trailing foliage, such as ivy, to create interest and soften the edges. Scatter wildflower seeds in the gaps between your plants. These will help attract bees, butterflies and insects to your wildlife garden throughout the summer. Water your plants in well. To help retain the moisture, fill any gaps with wood chips, which insects will love. Don't forget to add a shallow tray filled with water, where visitors can drink and refuel. To personalize the look of your garden, why not dress it with outdoor decorations and solar lights? Don't forget you can move it around into sunny or shady spots. Now sit back, enjoy the wonderful flowers and keep an eye out for any visitors to your wildlife garden.